Hello everyone, this is Barry with Breached. What I have here is a lock that goes in your door, common lock, Kwikset. It's a 5-pinner. I'll let you see here that the key works in it fine. Here's the bitting for it here. Got some lows and highs. I'm going to start off by trying to rake it open first. Then I'm going to single pin pick it. I'm going to apply my tension here. I'm using the triple peak here, starting now. I almost got it already. Alright, come on now. There it goes. Got it opened. Raked in less than a minute. Now, make sure it's locked. I'm going to single pin pick it. See how long it takes me to do that. Going in. Let's see here. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Click out of 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. Go back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, 2. Click on 3. Nothing on 4 or 5. Small click on 1, 2. Nothing on 3. Small click on 4. Small click on 5. Back to the beginning again. Nothing on 1 yet. There we go. Got another little click. There, big click on 4. Still nothing on 1 yet. 2, 3, 4, 5. There, click out 1. Nothing on 2, 3, 4, or 5. Alright, go back. Had to have overset one. There we go, got it open. I'd overset one and I set it and got the open. But anyways, I hope you liked my video. Again, this is Barrier with Breached. If you would, please click like and subscribe, and I'll try to post more content as soon as I can. Thank you.